In your stillness, if you just close your eyes, let's just use logic if we can't get it experientially. We could say God is the one energy of life, that thing that underpins all of life. Would we say that that's fair as a representation of God? Okay. And that beingness that you are, that feeling state of presence that you're in right now, your dynamic stillness, that is in me too, is it? Is it in me? Yeah. So it's the same. We're not different, are we? We're the same consciousness. Okay, we have different egos, okay, we have different life experiences, okay, we have different bodies, but that which we are, you can open your eyes again now, that which we are at the root is the same thing. This is God. Or translate your word for whatever the hell you want that to be in there. If God doesn't work for you, that is the higher intelligence, that is the all that is.